In a quaint town, whispers of a peculiar rain circulated. It was said to erase memories, leaving townsfolk puzzled and disoriented. One evening, a curious young woman named Lily decided to test the legend. As the rain began, she stood outside, feeling droplets on her skin. Suddenly, she remembered a forgotten childhood friend, a boy who vanished mysteriously. The rain didn't erase, it revealed hidden truths. Shocked, Lily realized the rain was a portal to lost memories. Embrace the unexpected and uncover your past. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.